Okay, so what I have here is a normal monopoly with a MC and ATC, a demand curve, and a marginal revenue curve. Now, when a subsidy is given from the government, it is simply just money given from the government to producers. So what that would do is it would shift your marginal cost curve to the right, and this would become your new marginal cost curve. That also would change how your quantity is, so this would become your new quantity right here, and then you would dot all the way up to the demand curve and over, and then that would become your new price. And that is a subsidy or a monopoly reacting to a subsidy.